This is Corbin playing Wii Sports. Play. Go play.
There's a race, right?
Yeah, go. Fight him, Corbin, fight him.
We killed him, right?
Play ninja, do ninja. Back up a little bit. Too close. Go, fight him. Keep going. Yeah, get him. Last one. Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
Hurry, run, get him, get him. Back up a little bit. Back up just a little bit. Get him, get him.
Ow.
Oh, good job, good job.
That hurt me.
That was Corbin playing Wii Sports.